I spilled egg yolk.
No, you shot egg
Yolk on my pants, so now I had to wet it so it wouldn't stain. So now it looks like I peed myself vigorously.
Fine.
Until frothy.
I tried to get Sam.
Someone skip this song.
Good. Am I right or what?
What is happening?
Sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say! I met someone who looked so much like me. Jeez! Take the head! Love is an open door! Love is an open door! Love is so much more with you! With you! With you! Do you think yes! I missed it!
It's okay.
Quite atrocious, super atrocious, super califragilisticexpialidocious.
Is that a stiff key?
I don't know.
That looks stiff.
Okay. I love, yeah, sure. I love Dick Van Dyke. Brings the show up going my way. Just doing what I do. Look out for that. I'm through and I'm almost there. Hey. Almost there.
No, I was talking about Finn.
What are those naked more
There's
out
been
there?
trials and tribulations. I know I am. Okay, I love how we're making Christmas cookies when February is next week.
Valentine's Day couple.
Did it go over the edge?
Yeah.
These are my cookies. I tried to go for a marbled look. This is such bad lighting. It's so dark.
Maple.
Is it coming out? Oh, it's really bad. Okay. Here are cookies. They're super cute.
Yep.
Show how professional we are.
Surprising Maddie's mom with a cookie.
We're gonna see her reaction. Mom? I think she's in here. Mom? Okay. I'm coming. We have you on video. Eat it.
Tastes a little bit like Play-Doh.
You know what? It's gluten free.
Am I the only one that said that?
Yes. Just a disclaimer. This is a gluten-free cookie that we made from a recipe. So like we didn't even get it from a box. So we kind of knew like out of the bat it wasn't gonna be that good because it's really hard to make good gluten-free cookies. Like the cookies that come in boxes that are gluten-free have been like tested and tested and tested and tested. Like they've had so many trial runs. So don't judge, please. They're gluten-free.
So the icing definitely improves it.
Yeah.
It really does. Don't you think? It tastes like Play-Doh a little bit.
I don't know. Too.
Thank you.
You're
This
welcome.
is a nice little treat.
I'm glad you like it. Hey guys, so this is me here editing, and I just realized that I didn't do an intro or an outro, so I'm just gonna do an outro, I think, and I'm just gonna have it kind of like abruptly start. So by now you've already watched it, but I'm just gonna end it now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. It was really not exactly what I named it, but you got to see me and my friends having some fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Bye!